So today we are at this beautiful home that's in Hampshire, which is not far from our warehouse at all. And we've just completed this brick-built outdoor kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be talking you through the whole thing on how we built it and all the things that we put in there. So when we first arrived here, there was nothing here. We just had this patio that had already been down. You might notice that a lot of these slabs are all that they're moved and they've come up and down. So they used to have, I'm not sure what this was now, like a vine or something like that, one there and over there. And I think it's the roots of those have gone underneath the patio, and that's what's caused it to move. So actually this section over here of the patio was pretty unaffected. It wasn't too bad. There was one slab there that had moved as well, but we relaid that. They had a landscaper or a gardener that came in and has taken these out, chopped these off, so we're not going to have any more problems with the roots. So you can see we did the design for this, and it's an L-shaped kitchen. The customer wanted it to be done in brickwork, and what we've done is we've got the exact same bricks that the house is made of. So when it's built, it really looks like an extension of the home. It looks like it was built at the same time that the house was. So let's run through the kitchen, then we'll start over here. So this barbecue here, this is the Beefeater 1600 S series. It's a 4-burner barbecue. It's got stainless steel hood, it's got a thermometer, aluminium cappings. You lift it up, it's got a grill, it's got a flat plate, it's got a warming tray, it's got the 4 burners underneath there. This is a really cool grill. It's probably 800-900 mil wide, long, so you're going to be able to feed lots of people on it. This barbecue can sit on a shelf. So if you just wanted to build a shelf or something like that and sit the barbecue on it, you can, or you can buy these stainless steel brackets that go either side of it, and what they do is allow it to slide onto the worktops. So this barbecue is essentially just hanging from the worktops, and it's held on by these 2 stainless steel brackets either side. You do have to, if you want to come over here and have a look at this, you'll notice that on the worktops here we've actually notched it there, and the same on the other side, so that allows the barbecue to slide right back. If you hadn't notched it, the barbecue would be sat forward by 20-30 mil, whatever the overhang is on the worktop. So underneath here we've got these 2 stainless steel doors, and that provides access to your gas tank that you've got underneath, and any storage as well that you've got under there. You'll notice also that we've got an air brick underneath there, so if there's ever any leaks for the gas or anything, it's got somewhere to come out. If it's propane, vent at the bottom. If it's natural gas, vent at the top. This is propane, so the vent's at the bottom. Coming along to here, we've got the Monolith Classic Pro Series 2.0 Kamado oven. This is a fantastic grill. We've done lots of kitchens. We put a lot of these into our kitchens. I have done a review of this. I've done an unboxing of it. I'll leave a link below if you want to have a look at that. And likewise as well with the 1600 series. If you're interested in that barbecue, I have done a video of that, and we'll leave links to that as well, so you can go and have a look. So anyway, so this is the Monolith. We've set this down low on a shelf so that the cooking height is at the same height as the worktops here. Coming along to this section here, you've got a pull-out waste bin. So you can see inside here the customer, so this is basically just a pull-out drawer, and the customer's got their own bin there. You can get one on Amazon, wherever you want, and that's just really handy. Always good to have somewhere to put all your rubbish, because you do get loads when you're cooking outside. And then over here, this is just a simple single door, which just provides extra storage. Charcoal, wood, anything that you want in there. It's a bit of a dead space actually underneath this section here, so it just seemed like a good idea to put a single door in there. I think in the original design actually, I can't remember, I think we were going to have a door on the far side to hold the gas tank and things like that, but in the end we didn't. We just kept it there. It's just good for storage. Coming around to here, and I love this part, this is like just a bar area, and so it's open underneath, so you can get the bar stools underneath. It gives the kitchen a much more open look. And what we've done here is we've run underneath here, we've run 2 catnip lintels, which are metal lintels. They're an L shape, and they run all the way along there and all the way along there, and then it's got brickwork underneath, and what that does is provides support for this worktop. So for the worktops and these, we have used a dark granite. So this is a polished granite. It's 20 mm thick. I really like polished granite. I find it a lot easier to clean than the honed matte finish granite, and I think it goes really well with with brickwork. That shiny, polished, dark look, it seems to work with brickwork really, really well. We've done a few kitchens with that combination, and it just looks really, really cool. We've also, and this was a bit of a last minute decision actually by the customer, was to just extend the worktop over here, so it just allows them to have an extra seat on the end there. So, you know, they've got 3 seats underneath here, 1 over there. They could have another 3 along there if they want to. So, you know, you're going to be able to sit 7 people here in the evening. If you're having a party or something like that, it works really, really well. So I think this whole space works really well. They've got this pergola over the top as well. This was here when we arrived. And I think they're going to dress this. We've literally just finished this, so the kitchen hasn't been dressed, but once it's dressed, it's going to look incredible with, you know, festoon, fairy lights all the way around there. I think they're talking about putting some sort of a retractable awning over here as well, so they can keep it in the dry if they want to as well. They're going to be able to use this all year round. It's a really, really cool space. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We try and release one of these videos at least once a week. If you want to see other projects that we're up to, head over to Instagram and Facebook. We try and post there a couple of times a week at least, just to show you what we're currently up to. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.